So we've just finished another week's group. So Brad and a couple of the other members weren't here last week, so we had a recap from last week. And we had a look through the individual formulations. So that's an understanding of some of these difficulties using the 3 circles, so the threat, drive and soothing circles. And that seemed to go really well. It was interesting that people tend to have quite a lot in the sort of soothing and drive circles already, which is really helpful, I suppose, isn't it?
Yeah, really, I think it helped everyone in the room to realise what they've got in those circles. We don't often notice how many things we do have that help us feel calm or feel motivated. So yeah, it was good to see those circles fill up.
Yeah, absolutely. And then we moved on to thinking about how we react when things go wrong, and that tendency to be unkind to ourselves and say, "You idiot," or whatever it might be.
Yes.
So, yeah.
So yeah, I used an example of me getting on the wrong bus last week and thinking myself an idiot, and the group were really good at thinking about what could be a more compassionate way to respond to that.
Yeah, and we linked that to the 6 skills of compassion. So there was some compassionate attention, so sort of noticing what was going on and what would be helpful in that moment. Compassionate behaviour of kind of planning for the future, making sure we've checked the bus times.
Yeah.
Compassionate thinking that we've all made mistakes sometimes, and just it's not the end of the world, and it's okay. We're also talking about compassionate imagery, compassionate sort of feelings and senses, and compassionate memories. So not catastrophizing and think, I always get it wrong.
Yeah.
And remembering this was a one-off, and you can get the bus normally.
Exactly. So with the imagery, we said we're going to start looking at some safe place imagery, aren't we, moving forward?
Yeah, so people are going to think about that this week.
Yeah.
So see you next week.